decimal to binary conversion. To convert decimal into any base, it may be a binary, hexadecimal, octal or anything. Perform successive division for integer part and successive multiplication for fractional part. Okay. For example, let us take a number 25. This is a decimal number system. We have to convert this decimal number system into a binary number system to the base 2. We have to convert this decimal number system into a binary number system. So what we have to do is, here there is only integer part. There is no fraction part here. Okay. So we have to perform successive division for integer part with the base in which we want to convert it into B. Okay. So we have to convert 25 into base 2. So successive division has to be performed. Successive division has to be performed by 2. Okay. So 25 is the decimal number and you have to divide this with the base 2. Why base 2? Means we have to convert this decimal number into base 2, into binary. That's why I have to divide with base 2. For example, if I want to convert this base 10 into some other system like base 4, then I have to successive divide this 25 with base 4. Okay, so 25. I am dividing with 2 here now. Okay, 12 2s 24. Remainder is 1. 2 6 are 12. Remainder 0. 2 3s are 6. Remainder 0. 2 1s are 2. Remainder 1. So we have to write reminders from bottom to top. So equivalent value will be 1 1 0 0 1 base 2. So if we convert 25 into base 2, the value is 11001. Okay. For example, I want to convert 38, a decimal number, into a base 2. So we have to divide 38 with base 2. Okay. మనం ఏ బేస్ లోకి అయితే మార్చాలనుకుంటున్నామో ఆ బేస్ తో డివైడ్ చేయాలి, అంతే కాన్సెప్ట్. సో 38 is the number here. I have to divide by 2. 2 1s are 2. 2 9s are 18. Remainder is 0. 2 9s are 18. Remainder 1. 2 4s are 8. Remainder 1. 2 2s are 4. Remainder is 0. 2 1s are 2. Remainder is 0. So I have to write from bottom to top. So 1 0 0 1 1 0 base 2. See here, I am writing like this. 1 0 0 1 1 0. Okay, to the base 2. Right? So let us take another problem. $67.25. Okay, let us take this one. We have to convert this decimal number into base 2. So what we have to do here, integer part is 67 and fractional part is 0.25. Okay, 0.25. Right? So what we have to do means we have to convert this decimal number into binary. So successive divide this 67 with base 2. మనం ఏ బేస్ లోకి అయితే మార్చుదాం అనుకుంటున్నామో ఆ బేస్ తో మనం డివైడ్ చేయాలి ఇంటిజర్ పార్ట్ ని. ఓకే, ఆ బేస్ తో మల్టిప్లై చేయాలి ఫ్రాక్షనల్ పార్ట్ ని. రైట్? సో 2 3s are 6. 2 3s are 6. Remainder is 1. 2 1s are 2. 2 6 are 12. Remainder is 1. 2 8 are 16. Remainder is 0. 2 4s are 8. Remainder is 0. 2 2s are 4. Remainder is 0. 2 1s are 2. Remainder is 0. Okay. So we have to write from bottom to top. From bottom to top. Right? Integer part we have to write bottom to top. So the answer is 1 0 0 1 0 0 0 0 1 1 0 0 1 1. Okay. This is for integer part. Right? For fractional part, what we have to do? For fractional part, we have to multiply each and we have to multiply with base 2. So 0.25 into 2. So 0.5. Okay. So for this value, write integer part here. For this value, write integer part here. Integer part is 0. So again 0.5. 0.5 into 2 means 1.0. Okay. So write in 1.0, what is integer part? 1. So write 1 here. And remaining right here 0.0. 0.0 into 2 is 0. Okay. So 0.0. Okay. So in this, what is integer part? 0. Right here. Right. So from top to bottom we have to take here. Here for integer part we have to write bottom to top. Okay. While dealing with fractional part we have to take integers. We have to take integers from top to bottom. While writing integer part, while dealing with integer part, we have to write reminders bottom to top. While dealing with fractional part, we have to write these integers for the answer while after multiplying this, right from top to bottom. So 0 1 0. 0 1 0 is the answer here. So combiningly, the answer is 1 0 0 0 0 1 1.010. Okay, this is the answer. This is the answer. Okay, let us take another example. $163.875. 163.875. This is a decimal number. We have to convert this into binary number. So now what is the integer part here? 163. What is the fractional part? For fractional part the value is 0.875. Okay. So now I have to divide this integer part by 2. Okay. And I have to multiply this fractional part by 2. Successfully we have to do that. Okay. 2 8s are 16. 2 1s are 2. Remainder is 1. 2 40s 80. Remainder is 1. Sorry. Yes. 2 20s 40. Remainder is 0. 2 10s are 20. Remainder is 0. 2 5s are 10. Remainder is 0. 2 2s are 4. Remainder is 1. 2 1s are 2. Remainder is 0. Okay. We have to write reminders from bottom to top. Okay. So 1 0 1 0 0 0 1 1 is the value while dealing with integer part. Okay. Similarly, 0.875 multiplied by 2. For fractional part, we have to multiply with the base. Okay. For example, it is base 2 to kakunda. If I want to convert this base 10 into base 6 or base 7, then we have to divide the integer with 7 and we have to multiply fractional part with 7. మనం ఏ బేస్ అయితే మార్చుకుందాం అనుకుంటున్నామో ఆ బేస్ తో మనం ఇంటిజర్ పార్ట్ డివైడ్ చేయాలి, ఫ్రాక్షనల్ పార్ట్ ని మల్టిప్లై చేయాలి. ఓకే. సో 0.875 into 2, the value is 1.75. ఈ వచ్చిన ఆన్సర్ లో ఓకే రైట్ ఇంటిజర్ పార్ట్ హియర్ 1. If we remove integer part, what is the value here? 0.75. Okay, so 0.75 into 2, the value is 1.5. Remove the integer part and write down the fractional part. Okay, 0.5 here, right? So 0.5 into 2, the value is 1.0, right? So remove the integer part in this answer and take the fractional part again. 0.0 into 2, the value is 0, so 0, right? So while dealing with fractional part, take these values from top to bottom. The value is 1110. So the final answer is 10100011.1110 base 2. We have to append all this. Okay, ఈ పాయింట్ మధ్యలో ఉంది కాబట్టి ఈ పాయింట్ మనం ఇక్కడ రీప్లేస్ చేయాల్సి వస్తుంది ఇక్కడ, రైట్? సో దిస్ ఇస్ ద ఆన్సర్. లెట్ us take this problem again. Okay, so we have to check whether the answer is right or wrong. Take this binary number and try to find out the decimal part. Okay, let us take this problem. It will be very simpler to understand. So this is the answer we got. 11001 base 2 we got as a binary value for 25. Okay, so ఇది 25 కి రిప్రజెంట్ చేస్తుందా చూద్దాము. సో ఈ బైనరీ టు డెసిమల్ కన్వర్ట్ చేయాలి అంటే, if you want to convert binary to decimal, what you have to do? You have to multiply each digit, each bit with the weight here. So the weight is 2 power 0 means 1. The weight here is 2 power 1 means 2. The weight here is 2 cube means 8. The weight here is 2 square here, so it is 4. The weight here is 2 cube means 8. The weight here is 2 power 4 means 16. Simply it's called 842116. So simply it's called 8421 code. Okay, so we have to get the value 25. This one value 25. So 16, 32, so on, so on, so on. 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 square, 2 cube, 2 power 4, 2 power 5 likewise. Okay, write all the powers of 2 here, right? So in order to get 25, which number you want to consider, write down 1 there. So if I write 1 here, 32, we have to consider the value is 25. So I should not take this number. It should be 0. If I take 16, okay, 25 minus 16, okay, the value is 9. So to get 9, I have to consider 8 here first of all. So remaining is 1. I have to consider this. Okay, 16 plus 8 plus 1 is 25. Remaining, put zeros. So this is the answer. This is the answer which you got. Okay, let us take this number, right? 8421 16 32 likewise. So the number is 38. So I have to consider 32 now. The number is 38. So I have to consider 32 now. Okay, if I consider 32, 38 minus 32 is 6. Okay, 4 plus 2 is 6. Remaining all, put zeros here. So this is the answer you got. 100 110.